How do you check someone's location on iPhone? Let me show you and explain how it could work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more videos and guides like this one. Okay, so there are more services and apps which can basically share someone else's location to you. The most common one between Apple users is using the Find My app. This is the Apple's built-in tracker of location, not only for people but also for other devices. Like if you have different iPads or iPhones, you can track those on the map. If you have an AirTag, you should be able to see that. But in the bottom left, we also have people. And in my case, I don't have the sharing set up with anybody, but if I want to check someone's location, I can at first tap the plus button and click on share my location with some person at first, right? Let's say I'm going to pick for 1 hour. So I'm going to invite the other person to share their location back to me, right? So I shared it with them, they get a notification and can click on share it back to me. And that's how I can control someone else's location now, right? They have to, of course, decide if they allow their location to be seen on the other device. So they also have the ability to decide if they share it for an hour or indefinitely. But when they allow it and share the location back, I'll be able to click on the people right here and see them on the map right there. So that's one way, of course. Another possible choice would be through WhatsApp, where you can see that inside of a WhatsApp chat, we can tap the plus button, click on location, and there is going to be the ability to send the live location, which means that you just share where you happen to be on the map, and you can always see that. If you share it with someone, then they can always check on you and see the location in real time. So that's another service which you can use for it. But there are even more, but I believe that these are the most popular choices. Let me know if you managed to set it up for yourself. Thanks a lot for watching and your feedback below, and I'll see you in the future videos like this one.